Here's my second shipment from my Amazon Subscribe and Save. Let's see what's in here. It's bought a lot, didn't they? Lots of boxes. I went through my house and put everything I could on Amazon Subscribe and Save. The more you put on there, the cheaper it is. And I'm not a Prime member, but one thing a lot of people apparently don't know is if you order $25 of stuff on Amazon, you get free shipping anyway. I tried Prime free for, 3 months or something, and I didn't get anything any faster than I do normally. Let's see what's in these things. This is just a big old case of toilet paper because buying toilet paper is like, gosh, it takes up so much space in the shopping cart, and then you have to put it in your, yep, so that should last for a long time. And one big box. More little boxes. This way, won't we? Oh, yes, that is good. Coffee. Oh, this is kind of heavy. Okay, let's take a closer look. So I did order a case of Charmin toilet paper because obviously we don't want to run out of that, do we? So, got all of that. It's the, who knows how to do toilet paper math? Good grief. It's like it doesn't even mean anything, does it? Who's going to do all that? You just buy something. Then I ordered these because, well, if you need to know, you don't need to know. I got Cascade packs for the dishwasher. I normally use the Great Value ones, which are fine, but I'm trying to stay away from having to drive to department stores, and this was on the Subscribe and Save. My walnuts, the kind I use, I put those in my cereal every single morning. I got this because I take this every single morning to try to keep from getting sick, and I haven't tried this particular brand, so I'll do a video about that. Also, I like B12 that melts, so they had this one with the dissolving type. I've never tried that brand before. I've taken these every day for a long time now, long time, and they really do help me. This is the brand that I prefer. I like Dove soap. Oh, this smells so good, so good. And this seems like a lot of soap, but this was the way it was sold, and I won't have to be buying soap for a while. It smells so good. This is one of my favorite coffees. So I just bought enough to get me through the rest of the semester. I put it on auto ship to ship me some more in January. This is what I have at work. And this is awesome. I found this at Walmart. And this, I don't even like donuts, but this chocolate glazed donut is a wonderful mocha. Wonderful. Again, got enough to get me through the rest of the semester. I remember using this deodorant when I was a teenager, which was a long, long time ago. And they had, this was the only deodorant they had that I liked on the subscribe and save. So I thought, well, I'll just try it again. See what else like smells good. Memory serves. What else do we have here? Coffee filters. Something else I don't want to run out of. I've done a lot of video reviews for coffee filters. Not really happy with any of them. They do better when I put 2 in there instead of 1. I think they're just making them cheap. And you have to use 2 filters or else it caves in on itself. So I think I got enough to last me maybe 6 months. I don't remember. But I went through and did the math and put everything on auto subscribe. And I thought I would need it. And this coffee is really good. This Death Wish coffee. It's just pretty expensive, so I didn't get a lot of it. But it is, when the days when I need like an extra little kick, yeah, it worked. This is really, really flavorful. Very good coffee. It doesn't taste bitter at all. Really, really good. Then I think I've got one more coffee. I hope this is Starbucks caramel. Ah! Send me some vibes. Man, I can't get that one open there. Let's see if we can do it from the bottom. They got this baby sealed up. Yeah. Yes. So the caramel. Yes. So the caramel and the Starbucks toffee nut, those are my go-tos at work. So good, so good, so good. This one was hard to find, so I was very glad to see it on subscribe and save. And this is just one of my, hey, please get me through the day types of coffee. So there you have it, my second shipment from my Amazon subscribe and save. I should be set on most of this stuff for the rest of the year. And then the way I have it set up, it'll just come to me when I need it. Like I think I get toilet paper again in January. I'll get the nuts every month. Get the True Biotics once every 3 months, obviously. I think I use the dishwasher every single day. And there's 70 in there, so I think I have that for every 2 months. And then I'm good on soap and K-Cup coffee for a while. Subscribe and save so far. Solving me problems. Saving me time. And it isn't costing me any more money than it would at the local department store, discount store, superstore that I really am trying to avoid. Thanks for watching my video review about my second major shipment for the Amazon subscribe and save. Go check it out, see if there's things that will work for your plan, and you can have them automatically shipped to your house. You don't have to worry about them. They just show up on your doorstep. You don't have to drive to the store. You don't have to park your car in a place where people are going to leave shopping carts, possibly dent your car. You don't have to load it into the cart, load it from the cart on the conveyor belt, load it from the conveyor belt back into your cart, take your cart to your car, drive home, and then unload it from your car. It's at your door. And most of it I found is the same price as I was going to pay in the local store, which I will not name. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another one of these videos, and let's just help each other be better consumers and have more happiness minutes. Bye.